What is going on YouTube? Head Mike making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, if we have time, the S&P 500. Happy New Year's to everybody as we celebrate and move forward into the 2021 new year. We're definitely going to see some pretty incredible things happen this year, especially in the crypto community, the crypto prices, as well as here on the channel, as 2020 did hold some pretty incredible things in regards to cryptocurrency. All-time highs, all-time lows, just crazy stuff all over the board. But nevertheless, entering 2021, we do have some pretty insane news to discuss. As you guys know, there is some pretty interesting comments going around and some pretty interesting rumors going around the crypto space in regards to Coinbase actually being sued for the suspension of XRP. And I think that is definitely something we have to discuss. Also, obviously, the key prices in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, XRP, things of that nature, coins looking to hit a bottom and coins looking to hit a top as we start to see some indifference in the market. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you could DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. All right, guys, so before we begin, yesterday's episode we discussed, I do have a few announcements, but yesterday's episode we discussed that we believe that XRP Ripple might actually decide to head higher up, and it seems like it's proven itself with today's recent correction back to the upside. Definitely some pretty insane stuff we do have to discuss and move forward in, because I think XRP hasn't hit or had hit the bottom, and we might actually see some new levels in prices for XRP. Most people are starting to believe that XRP is done for. It's dead, there's no more use, but I think there's something else we have overlooked. So I definitely think we need to spend quite a bit of time discussing that. Now, the few announcements we have to discuss is obviously the 20,000 subscriber Crypto TV giveaway has finally ended. We had over 4,500 entries, and the time is now to pick the winner as we move forward into the new year. So I do have the winner right here. I'm going to draw the winner right now. It's going to be one person, so definitely make sure to be watching this video to claim it. You'll also be getting an email sent to you guys. So I'm clicking right now, draw a winner, and we're going to draw this and pretty much see who the winner is of the giveaway, and I will send you 200 in USDT to your Bityard account as promised. So as you can see, the new winner is right here, Katsios Abdu. The email should be sent to you, so definitely make sure to reach out to me either on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, or even on my email, probably better that way, to claim your reward. Otherwise, guys, let's move on to the article here. You guys can see that this is a very interesting article. Let's just start with that. CoinDesk is putting out an article basically discussing Coinbase being sued for allowing the sale of XRP. This is just crazy. It's really just the utmost crazy stuff I've heard of. Coinbase actually being sued for a cryptocurrency being listed for sale on the market. You can see right here, in an interesting consequence of Ripple Labs' battle with the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission, the SEC, a Missouri man claiming to be a Coinbase client is suing the crypto exchange for selling the XRP token. In the complaint filed in the District of California, you can see basically what they are talking about. He seeks a class action lawsuit, argues Coinbase violated California's unfair competition laws by gaining an unwarranted competitive advantage over a digital asset exchange that only sold commodities. They're saying that Coinbase sold a token called Ripple, hereafter referred to by XRP, the value of which was entirely linked to the success or failure of Ripple Labs, the company that created the token, and the managerial efforts of Ripple. Co-executive investors in XRP, such as plaintiff, proposed an expectation of profit in such managerial efforts by Ripple and purchased the token in order to make money on their investment. So the SEC filed suit against Ripple Labs last week, claiming XRP is a security that Ripple has been selling for 7 years without registering it or seeking exemption. Right? What the heck just happened to the market? Oh, of course we have a commercial. That's crazy. Let's get that back on. Not only that, the lawsuit against Coinbase seeks unspecified compensatory damages, attorney fees, and other things. Pretty crazy. There is 1.3 billion in the process, which is absolutely incredible. Now, moving into the rest of the video, looking at the current coin market cap, things are looking fairly well. Most cryptocurrencies are up. Bitcoin specifically is up 20% in the past 7 days. Same thing with Ethereum, and Polkadot is up 60% in the past 7 days. So there's definitely some huge movements within the coin. XRP up 10% on the day. I do believe we're going to see prices move higher, specifically within Bityard, for XRP trading. So what I mean by that is I do believe over the past couple of days, we've seen a massive correction in price for XRP. And what's interesting is usually there tends to be a bottom in some sort of way, which would signal buyers to buy back in, anticipating higher prices. So what's interesting is just looking at this, we have to play out all the options. We have to weigh out all the pros and all the cons. Notice that within the massive correction that we had, every time we got close to retesting this 5-day moving average here on Bityard, we ended up correcting even lower. Now, we actually just retested that today. We're retesting the 5-day moving average again. So it's very interesting to see whether or not we're going to be pulling lower or if we're actually going to be pulling higher up. Now, I can't get all the technical analysis here on Bityard, and I want to switch over to the trading view charts to get a better understanding. But granted, if we find time or the perfect opportunity to be buying in, if we anticipate either a massive long or a massive short on XRP, Bityard will be the place to do it. I've also linked them in the description down below if you guys wanted to check out Bityard, as they do offer some pretty crazy stuff. Also, I did get some comments or questions, but I do believe Bityard in 2021 is going to be offering Forex trading as well as some other pretty cool stuff, copy trading and things like that. So that might be something to take advantage of here on the channel. But otherwise, yes, they offer buying long, selling short, leverage trading, things of that nature. So definitely make sure to check them out. Now, moving into the XRP chart, this is pretty much what I wanted to talk about. So this is why it differs from the Bityard chart on XRP. We don't have as many technical analysis or technicals pulled up on the chart to really get a better reading of things. But when we look at XRP here on, XRP to US dollar on Coinbase, you can see on TradingView, it does show some interesting signs. Now notice that it does seem to be a bottom at around 18 cents, where the price of XRP has retested numerous times in the past since being listed on Coinbase, numerous times. And it does show some fair support right here. What's crazy is that on this daily, like I've mentioned in the past, we always come back to retest the moving average. And with that knowledge, ensued, we do have to understand the fact that there does seem to be some undervaluation in the price of XRP. The price of XRP actually broke below moving averages. It's oversold on the, the relative strength indicators, and it's undervalued on the MACD. So it does start to show the possible reversal back up to the moving average. So I wouldn't be surprised. We fell as low as, 17 cents, and we're already back to 25 cents, and it's been over the course of a couple of days. It wasn't a massive drop in a day and then consolidation in a day. This is taking a slower process. We were clearly undervalued in the price of the coin. FOMO corrected the price all the way back down to lower levels that it shouldn't have been to. And now it seems like the price wants to continue to, move back to the upside, kind of pretty much go back to a more neutral playing field, and the price needs to balance itself out. And honestly, where I believe that is closer to 40 cents. We saw this massive drop. It shot the price of XRP to an undervalued rate, and I do believe we're going to swing back up. So I do think, based on this XRP chart, with the undervaluation that the coin really does hold, there's a good chance that in the next couple of days we might be able to profit on XRP heading back up, as it's not just a US traded cryptocurrency. This is a worldwide international coin. Even though the company does have some kinks in it, there's still money to be made on a coin like this. So we might be able to get in and get out within the next couple of days real quick on what could be a boost, maybe back up to this 40-cent barrier. Really holds us to whether or not we could break through 25 cents, as this is another resistance that we've seen on the coin for quite some time, as shown below. Now notice, moving back in to the coin, we're really just waiting to see if there's confirmation. If we can close above 25 cents right here, this resistance line that I have drawn, there's a good chance that we'll be able to use that existing volume to push us back up to retest the moving average, which would hold us right about 37 cents. So it's a fair, it's a fair jump in the price. Obviously, when we see that break, I'll update you guys on Patreon, and we'll obviously make some sort of long position, come through. So obviously, if we see a big jump, we'll probably head back up, like I said, to about 37 cents, which is closer to right here. Right over here, this is really not too bad in regards to movements upwards. It'll be a fairly, profitable move if we decide to long this up to the upside. So definitely make sure to keep your eyes peeled for some movements. Otherwise, really why I'm struggling with, understanding these markets for right now is just because of the fact that we're seeing some pretty incredible things happening. Not only is XRP acting inversely to Bitcoin and these other altcoins, you have to consider that a lot of these things are, really just by looking at these charts, just by basing things off of technical analysis, Ethereum looks to be overvalued. We retested overbought. We're retesting resistance at the top here. The coin looks like it wants to head lower. It really does. I don't know how else to explain that. And that's why I'm having definitely some, thoughts that are all over. And I'd love to hear your guys' opinion in the comments down below, because XRP looks like it wants to head back up, but Ethereum looks like it wants to head back down. Litecoin has been stumbling the past couple of days now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of literally just consolidating within $126 and $130, not moving at all. It either goes up or down. So there's definitely room right now for a big price pop in some sort of direction. Sometime soon, in the next couple of hours, if not a day or two, we're going to see a big movement within Litecoin, and it could sink us back down. We're flatlined right now in regards to the price. We're seeing what could be a bearish cross on the MACD. The market looks like Litecoin wants to break lower. It looks like it wants to correct back down to support closer to $90. Same thing with Ethereum. Looks like it wants to correct back down as well. Then you look at something like Bitcoin, which just keeps pumping higher. We're clearly overbought, but people keep FOMOing back in, and the price just is heading higher and higher and higher and higher up. We're at $29,000 right now, if not a little more, on our way to retest $30,000 in 2021, which I do believe we will. But we're extremely overvalued. There's no technical analysis that could really help us right now. This is all new territory, uncharted territory. The prices look like they want to continue up, but it's really fair game at the moment. So really, it's hard to say for where to invest in Bitcoin. XRP looks like it wants to swing up, and I'm almost dead set that Litecoin is going to break bearish, and the same thing goes with Ethereum. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out with the trading. Obviously, I'll update you guys later on tomorrow. And if you look at the S&P 500, we're headed even higher up to more all-time highs. Then consider the possibility of a bullish cross on the MACD, and then throw in the fact that it looks like we're overbought on the relative strength indicators. The markets on the S&P 500 looks like we're going to start doing some pretty crazy stuff that probably not many people are able to evaluate. So that's pretty much just my 2 cents on the market. In short, it looks like XRP wants to head back up to about 36, 37 cents. And I think it's going to do so fairly quickly as it is undervalued. And then I believe Ethereum, honestly, Bitcoin and Litecoin might start to, drop its price fairly quickly. Otherwise, that's pretty much my, my video for today. Definitely make sure to reach out to me if you are the winner of the giveaway. Also, make sure to check out this article if you're interested. The Coinbase being sued for allowing the sale of XRP. Definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up if you are new to the channel. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.